Hi guys, welcome to Technology High-Tech channel. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe and tap the bell icon for notifications. In this video, I'm going to say about the interesting topic that is coronavirus vaccine possible within a year without technology? So let's go. So what do you think about it? Is COVID-19 vaccine possible within a year or not? Think about it. Okay then, let's start our video with introduction of coronavirus. Coronavirus is a large family of virus that can spread through a contact with infected person. And this is transmitted between animals to humans. And this causes illness ranging from common cold to severe respiratory problems. So when this viruses enter our human body, then it releases its DNA and this acts on our tissues and infect them. Before starting our main topic, many of you guys have a doubt that why coronavirus vaccine takes a year long to produce. Okay, let's see now. Many international communities are working together like never before to produce COVID-19 vaccine, and several companies are racing to develop vaccine. But it takes over a year long to produce vaccine. It is because Point 1. COVID-19 is a human disease which only causes for humans and don't have any effect on many animals as they have more immunity than us. So researchers and scientists have to test the vaccine only on human beings or the animals which have similarities to humans. To do this, vaccine preparation companies have to take the approvals from governments. And the vaccine should also be successful in all clinical trials to test on human beings. And this all takes a lot of time. And the point 2. Every countries have different stages of the diseases. So this COVID-19 vaccine has to cure all the stages, and this is very difficult as the symptoms of each stage is different from each other. Then, for example, if the first stage of disease is cold, then the second stage will be respiratory problems. So this virus has to cure the both stages, and it is very difficult. And point 3. In past, many viruses have attacked the world like Spanish flu, rotavirus, SARS and Ebola virus, in which Spanish flu created a lot of destruction by killing approximately 1 crore people. When companies did lot of research and introduced those vaccines to the market, then by that time those viruses have been controlled. Due to this, there were many losses to vaccine preparation companies. So many vaccine preparation companies have fear and not investing money on the COVID-19 vaccine. So that is why it takes a year long time to launch and produce the vaccines in our market. Now let's come to the main point. Is COVID-19 vaccine possible within a year without technology or not? And the answer is probably yes. Let's see it why. 83 companies across the world are working for COVID-19 vaccine and 11 companies already started clinical trial. In the countries like India and USA, they are using hydroxychloroquine as a vaccine as it is showing positive results. Many countries proved and are using hepatitis C vaccine as a COVID-19 vaccine. Chinese scientists developed and shared a full genetic sequence of SARS-CoV-2 that are cause of COVID-19. Several companies such as Dynavax are using this information to develop vaccines which will contain a small amount of genetic code. Certain cells in our body will take up this genetic information and produce the elements to disinfect the virus. This genetic sequence also triggers the immune system to respond. Scientists have also confirmed that DNA or RNA based vaccines are weakening and deactivating the virus. And many countries also started human testing. Recently, India also announced that Pune Institute and Serum Institute of India have conducted vaccine trial on monkey and it was successful. This vaccine has almost completed and can come to our market at September. not only India, many countries in the world are working hard and their level best for the vaccines. I request you all to follow these measures to stop coronavirus. Coronavirus will not be dangerous if you be courageous. So it is in your hands. Protect yourself and save all. Just do a simple thing. Stay at home. So stay at home and stay with your family and stay safe. So subscribe my channel for more videos and tap the bell icon for notifications. And at last, thank you for watching.